Hey parents, do you need help with your child's homework? Let me show you how Khanmigo can help with homework today. So I'm in Khanmigo and I'm in the Activities tab, and I'm going to use the Tutor Me feature. So all you have to do is you or your child can copy and paste your child's homework question into Khanmigo. For example, let's say I need some help with this algebra problem. Can you help me solve the equation for x? Let's see what Khanmigo says. So you can see that Khanmigo is going to help me figure it out, but it's not going to just give me answers. Instead, it's going to guide me to find the answer myself, which is going to really help me learn this concept. So let's say I think we need to solve for x. And it will encourage me. It will give me some tips on some other things that I should consider to solve this problem. Now, if I go to ChatGPT and I ask it to help me with the same problem, as you can see, it's only going to give me the answer. But that might not necessarily lead to my child really developing deeper understanding and learning of their homework. So if you want your kid to get homework help and really understand the why behind the answer, Khanmigo can help. That's because we built Khanmigo with learning in mind. So if you want to give it a try yourself, just click the link in the description below to get started with Khanmigo.